1984 K20. Bought it in 2019. It was a school barn truck. It was yellow, school bus yellow. We tore into it, just took it clear down the frame. All stainless hardware, welded all the holes shut in the frame. Started from the ground up, basically, got it done. And had it done since 2020. The thing I'm most proud of, the guy that built the majority of it is a good friend of mine, and it was a group effort. We got to spend a lot of time in the shop together and hang out. You know, we just did a lot of little things, shaving the firewall, getting rid of drip wells, getting rid of some of the seams, flush mount glass, just a lot of little touches that we're kind of proud of. My daughter was with me this morning. We were kind of laughing. We had people honking and thumbs up, and yeah, it gets a lot of attention. So it's kind of fun. The only downfall is now we want something we can take the whole family and need a four-door, a wagon or something to get everybody out. But yeah, it's been a lot of fun. Kids have fun with it, and we have fun with it. Everybody's got different budgets. Everybody's got different tastes. You know, do what fits you. Do what fits your budget. Don't listen to other people. You know, do what you like. You don't have to listen to everybody else.